Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. We're so happy you're here today.
Today, we're going to talk about exercise, the gym, and keeping our bodies healthy.
Yes, exercise is something people do every day, and it's a great topic for learning English.
And don't worry, we'll use easy English, perfect for beginners.
So, Emma, do you like going to the gym?
Sometimes I like simple exercises like walking on the treadmill or riding a bike. What about you?
I go to the gym 2 or 3 times a week. I like lifting weights and also running.
Wow, that's good. Okay, let's start with some important words for exercise. Ready, listeners?
Vocabulary time. Gym.
Gym means a place where you can exercise.
Treadmill.
A treadmill is a machine where you walk or run without moving forward.
Weights.
Weights are heavy objects you lift to make your muscles stronger.
Stretch.
To stretch is to move your body and muscles to get ready before exercise.
So, Emma, what kind of exercise do you do most often?
I usually walk outside in the park. Walking is simple and it's free. Sometimes I do yoga at home.
That's nice. Walking and yoga are very healthy.
What about you?
I usually go running and sometimes play basketball with my friends.
Oh, basketball. That's fun.
Yes, it's good cardio. Cardio means exercise that makes your heart beat faster.
Listeners, cardio is exercise like running, cycling, swimming. Do you go to the gym in the morning or in the evening?
Usually in the evening, after work. I feel more relaxed when I exercise after a busy day.
I like the morning because it gives me energy for the day.
Interesting. Listeners, do you prefer morning or evening exercise? Think about it.
Let's learn some action words we use at the gym. Run, jump, lift, push, pull, stretch.
Good list. Let's give examples. I run on the treadmill.
I jump rope for exercise.
I lift weights to build muscles.
I push the machine with my legs.
I pull the cable machine with my arms.
I stretch before and after exercise.
Emma, do you remember your first time at the gym?
Yes, I was a little nervous. I didn't know how to use the machines.
Same for me. The first time, I only walked on the treadmill.
Now you're stronger, right?
Yes, after practice, I feel more confident.
That's a good lesson for our listeners. Don't worry if you are new. Everyone starts small.
Let's talk about healthy habits. Emma, what do you eat after exercise?
I usually eat fruit like a banana and drink water.
That's great. I drink water too, and sometimes a protein shake.
Protein is important for your muscles.
Yes. but water is the most important. Always drink water when you exercise.
Listeners, here's more vocabulary. Muscles, sweat, energy, healthy.
Muscles are the strong parts of your body. Sweat is water from your body when you exercise. Energy is the power you feel to move. Healthy means feeling good in your body.
Exercise helps your muscles, makes you sweat, gives you energy, and keeps you healthy.
Let's play a little question game, Emma.
Okay, let's go.
What exercise did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I walked in the park for 30 minutes. What about you?
I lifted weights at the gym for 1 hour.
Nice. Another question, what exercise do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy running. It makes me feel free. What about you?
I enjoy yoga because it makes me calm.
Great. Last question. What exercise do you want to try in the future?
I want to try swimming more often. And you?
I want to try rock climbing.
Oh, wow. That sounds fun. Let's review some important words. Gym, treadmill, weights, stretch, run, jump, lift, push, pull, muscles, sweat, energy, healthy.
A lot of useful vocabulary today.
Yes, listeners, try to use these words after you listen. For example, I went to the gym yesterday, or I like to run for exercise.
I really enjoyed talking about the gym and exercise today.
Me too. Exercise is good for the body, and it's also good for practicing English.
Thank you for listening with us.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.
That way, you can join more fun English lessons with us.
And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite exercise?
Yes, we'd love to know.
All right, see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.